How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're joined again with the Scirocco on this sweltering hot day. I think that's the right word, sweltering, but we're going to roll with it. I'm going to give you one guess at what we're doing today. Comment below. I want to see the guesses. Okay, you commented? Great. Who had a drink of beer? Bloody hell, it's been a long week, guys. Right, so we finally got a package through for Emerald Struts, and I think we all know what this is. I've been saying it's coming for a while. It took a while, about a month to get here, but yeah, it's finally here, so let's open it up. Now we're going to install them. My car is locked. There's a cat. Hello, how's it going? You good? Great. That's my mechanic. He's going to be advising. I really need some friends. As I said, he's a mechanic. He's getting the tools ready. And yeah, let's get this car unlocked. My keys are inside. Right, so quite simply what we're doing today is going to be changing the boot struts on this car. There's nothing wrong with them per se, but they're not that powerful. And basically, as the before and after will show, when I open the boot, it just unlocks it. It doesn't actually open it for me. Where by installing these, we should fix that, and these should have enough power to actually open the boot itself without me having to intervene. Obviously, I need to unlock it still. It's not just going to fly open while I'm driving. But let's get into it. So I'm assuming that most of you that are watching this video are watching it for a reason, and that reason is maybe because you want to get a pair of boot struts, or you're looking to know how to replace them. I don't know how to replace them. I have the instructions, and I'm literally going to follow them through and see how well we can do. I think the best job is to remove one first, install one, and then the other. Otherwise the boot is just going to fall on my head, and I'm going to look like a dickhead. I need tools. Back with the essentials, and I think it's going to be pretty simple actually. There's 2 bolts down the bottom here, same on the other side, and at the top I think it's just a clip, so we shouldn't have too much issue getting it off, and I'm really hoping that we don't have too much issue getting the new ones on, otherwise it's going to be a bloody pain. Not only are we removing the boot struts though, we're also going to remove the bumpers with these ones provided by Emerald Struts. And essentially all they are is I think they're a bit bigger, a bit more powerful to help push the boot open when it's unlocked. Alright, let's try and do this. I don't really want to take this all the way out before I've got some of the other stuff ready. And by the other stuff, I mean this clip up here. So right, at the top we've got this clip holding in the top end of it, and I'm just going to see, remove existing struts using flathead tool to remove the joint, blah blah blah, metal pin, pull the struts away from the ball joints. Yeah, that seems fine enough. We have a flathead in here, we'll have to go get another one. The Allen keys are in there, and I think we just kind of have to pull. Maybe. This probably would have been a lot easier with a flathead, but I'm difficult like that. There we go, now it's loose, huh? Is it meant to be loose? I would assume so. Oh shit. Oh, it's held itself up. Okay, grand. Cool, this is now out. All you do is remove this clip here, pull it out, it's done. I'm just going to remove it off the base now. Just get these out. I'm just going to twist. Let's bend that up there so it's out of the way. Cool, nice and easy, it's done. Right, before we can get installing the new struts, what I didn't realise is they actually sent me this. And it's a replacement ball joint. Oh, that is greasy. I should have thought that one through. So I'm quickly going to remove this ball joint, if I can, and then we will get the new one installed. Oh, my GoPro's having a fit. Cool, this is the new ballpoint going in. Interestingly, it's a smaller size. Right, that should be tight enough. Just for reference and a quick comparison, this is the old boot strut, and this is the new one. I mean, it's a boot strut, I'm not really sure what else to say. It's got a spring on. Looks cooler, I guess. But, shit. I've just clocked I made a mistake. This bottom bit and this bottom bit, I wasn't meant to take the bolts out. This was meant to stay in. So I need to put that back in real quick. Right, I'm going to attempt to put this new boot strut in. I think the spring goes at the top. So we're going to see. First off, what we've got to do... Oh, this won't focus. Oh, this is for my Amazon delivery. We love getting deliveries. Right, so as I was saying, before we can put these on, it has some small clips, and this isn't going to focus, which really pisses me off. There we go. It has some small clips which you've got to push around, like this. Ouch. They come off and then slide out the bottom. Before I put them on, I should probably add some grease. Oh shit, it comes out quick. Just get a decent bit on there. That's that. Right. One on the bottom. When it's in line, just a little push, I think. Maybe I have to do a certain angle. Ah, wasn't actually that hard. Same with the top one. I'm going to pull the boot down a little bit just so we get a better fit. And then I'm just going to move out the way, do it with my left hand so you can see better. Just going to give it... Oh shit, it fell off at the same time. But, right, it's on. It's on. Push in. It's done. Right, so I've been having a look at these things, and I think that what I need to do is put an Allen key in there. Don't know what size. So we're just gonna stick one in and see. That is definitely way too small. That's what she said. It's not something you want to admit to. Nope. Right. More tools required. I found one more Allen key. I'm really, really hoping that this is the one. It looks like it might be the one. It might be too small though. It is the one. Can I do it this way? No, it doesn't reach. This is literally, I searched throughout all the toolboxes. Well, two. And this was at the bottom of one of them. It's a long process. Right, it's out. Let me store this somewhere that probably won't get lost. Great, and these can just come straight out. Easy. I think what I'm going to do is just try to remove this top part off, because this looks identical, so I don't think I actually need it. It's basically identical, so I think I'm just going to try and remove this. This is the only thing I can really think of to get it installed, because I have no idea how to get this out. Cool, it's out. Right, I'm quickly checking on the other side to see how many struts out points out. Right, so on the right hand side, which I haven't touched yet, I am 7 of these lines. There are lines on here if it can focus. It's in manual, so it won't. There are 7 lines on here, which I'll show you later. On that side, I'm 7 lines out. Sorry, there's more than 7 lines on here. I'm 7 lines out on that side. I actually think I'm going to do it. Bro, I need a new GoPro. SD card error. So cool. This really easily just pushes it in line. How many up? 4. Right, I put it in about 5 because I noticed the other day my boot seemed a little bit high. So I'm seeing if putting this in. Just for those wondering, those lines that you can see now is what that's what I was referencing. Right, oh shit me. Right, well, that is them installed, so let me quickly tidy up some of this stuff and then we'll test it and see, hopefully, it's worked, I've installed it correctly. But yeah. So I quickly want to show you guys. The boot is significantly harder to put down now. Like, it takes a lot of force and goes in. However, when it's in, and this is what I'm talking about with the lines, this is out by quite a bit. Like, I can fit my whole finger in here. So what I need to do, if I just open this up again, up here, is it going to focus? I need to push these in more. Obviously these are thicker than the ones I had and I didn't really think about that. So I'm going to push them all the way in and see how they do. Cool, so if you have a Scirocco R, you just got to put it so there are no lines and now it will sit flat with it. There is a gap here, that's always been there, even with the other ones, goes all the way around, that's standard. Slight lip underneath is also standard, but you're looking for it to be flush here, which this now is. So yeah, moment of truth, let's test it. Right, so this is the before. And this is the after. Oh, that's cool. That's actually sick. I didn't think I would find it as cool as I did. But look, this is strong. Like, this goes. I'm thinking what will probably happen is with use, it'll get a little bit weaker but still have that strength to just kind of pop up. Because at the moment, you get to here and you're like, ooh, that is, I've got to actually push it down instead of just kind of chucking it down as I did before. But that is cool. Ready? Alakazam. That's pretty cool. I like that quite a bit. Honestly guys, this turned out cooler than I thought. Like, I mean, I kind of bought it just for the sake of installing it and having a video. Is it worth it? I'm not sure. However, that is pretty cool. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Let me know what you think about the struts and if you're going to buy a pair yourself. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See ya. I'll see you in the next one. See ya. What is that? Bye. That's it. That's the ending. Cool.